is it, NZ family. This is it. The last 4 card packs of Card Wars For the Glory booster packs. This is it. 4 packs left, and 4 chances left of getting a holographic Husker Knight. I already got a holographic Husker Dan and a holographic Immortal Maze Walker. I'm not going to feel good if I don't get a holographic Husker Knight. Please, please, please. If I don't get a holographic Husker Knight, I am going to scream internally. I'm not going to scream out loud because I don't want to scare anyone in the house. Okay, let's see. There we go. Another Swamp Horn. Another Corn Popper. Another Fright Tower. Another Green Snaky. Another Well-Dressed Wolf. Socks of Fortune. Here come the holo cards. Ooh, Psychic Tempest. Return all creatures in play you own to your hand. Another Orange Slimy. And, ooh, a Temple of the Sun. When Sandyland's creature with cost 1 or greater you control enters in this lane, you may return it to its owner's hand. Imagine actually buying one of these one at a time at a shop, only to get cards you've already got. Oh my goodness, that'd be horrible. Luckily for me, I got a whole box full of them. Ooh, I think I got an intact package. Give me a second, give me a second. Without ripping up the package, I think I got an intact one. Intact package. Clean, clean. I'm saving that one. Okay. Got another Green Party Ogre. Another Master of Disguise. I see a hologram Cornfields card in this. Davy Bones again. No, 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 no. Yellow Lighthouse. Little Freezy, come on, come on. Please. I see. It's cool too. It's not a Husker Knight, but it's also a really cool card because Sun King counts as an additional cornfield landscape you control. Okay, not very many people understood what that meant, but from what I understand, Husker Knight has a special ability where he gets plus attacks depending on how many cornfield landscapes you control. I only control 2 cornfield landscapes, so he'll do only 2 damage. But if I have that on the field, since he counts as a cornfield landscape pretty much, my Husker Knight will deal 3 damage instead. Got another Spirit Tower and another Blueberry Pie Clops. Oh my, I'm getting scared. We only have 2 packs left. At least we got Sun King. That's another cool prize. Let me put that over there with my other trophy cards. Okay. Oh, my stomach. Oh, my stomach. Okay. Oh, come on. I don't like this one. Another Igloo Sanctuary, Paladin, another Cotton Devil, a Sea Hag, another Gold Ninja, Cactus Thug. Sack of Pain is actually pretty cool. When Sack of Pain has exactly 6 damage on it, it has plus 6 attack. Oh! Another hologram Husker Dan. Alright, Husker Dan, Archer Dan. That's pretty cool. And another Lime Slimy.
Boo! You stink!
Well, even if we don't get a Husker Knight out of this pack, at least we can go home with, at least we can say that I got a holographic Immortal Maze Walker and 2 Archer Dans, plus a Sun King. Those are pretty cool. Oh, and I think I got a Gold Ninja too, I forgot. Well, this is the last one. Oh, my stomach. Here we go. Last one, NZ family, last one. I think you'll see that accidentally. Actually, I'm going to move those right there. Right there, exactly. Let's see, another Lucky Penny, a Roctoclops, this, that, and another one of those. Okay. Here we go. Portal of Unsummoning. Return target creature to its owner's hand. That is actually pretty neat. Okay. Oh, Black Paladin. Paladin, not Paladin. Last one. Please be a holographic Husker Knight. If it is a holographic Husker Knight, ooh, if it is a holographic Husker Knight, I don't know what to think. And if it isn't, even if it isn't, that's fine. I mean, at least I got this one, these two, and this one too. Oh my. Drumroll, please, everybody.
I'm a fire in the laser!
Oh! I knocked him down off his horse.
Outstanding!
I do not have a target.
Do your men not know where the sharp heart of the
I need to target something first. I do not have a target.
These intruders lack the fury of
I require a target.
I don't know how a blind date's supposed to make me feel any better about...
This is your conscience.
What is it, my conscience? What must I do?
Don't eat the apple pie.
Way to spoil the date. Well,
No, you should actually eat the apple pie because it actually is pretty good.
I don't
Yeah, it might get you a little bit on something like a substance, but you should still have it. It's pretty good. It only lasts like 12, 20.
Alright, you know what, I'm not gonna worry about it. Well, I brought my...
Yeah, just don't worry about it. Also, don't be cringy, don't be weird, and you know, don't ruin your cards.
How can I possibly ruin a date with a pony of all things? Now, so, I cannot believe I'm doing this. I'm gonna get shillings after this. Well,
You know your conscience, right?
stop. You're making me look crazy in front of a pony. This is already crazy as is. So, I hear that you like apples.
Who told you?
A friend of yours, I think her name is Princess Shillings. She
Oh.
watches y'all's show and everything, and has been trying to get me to watch it, but I still refuse to watch it. So, ignoring the conscience. I can do this. So, what are your hobbies?
Kicking.
Kicking.
A whole bunch of kicking.
So, what's in this pie anyways? That you made here? At least I'm assuming that you made this. You did make these pies, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let me have a taste. Nope. Oh wait, I forgot.
You're the most stupidest person I've ever met. I've told you like 5 times not to eat that pie.
Shut up, conscience. 15 cringy minutes later. Oh, my head is a spinning. You ever get one of those days where you want something so badly, but it just doesn't work out for you? Like, I blew off like $70+ on a bunch of cardboard cards. Even got a nice collection in this folder here. But you get a holographic Immortal Maze Walker, you get a holographic Archer Dan, 2 of them, and a holographic Sun King, and a bunch of holographic gnomes and slimes you don't want. But you don't get the Husker Knight for some reason. You realize you blew off more than $70-something on something you don't even need. You ever get one of those days, Applejack?
Have you ever gone on one of those days where you just can't shut up and you ate a pie and now your head hurts and now you're gonna be on some substances and
What did you put in that pie? Let me guess. It's something humans can't have, is it? But ponies can.
I thought I was going.
Y'all put a load of sugar in it, didn't you?
No, that's Pinkie Pie's doing. But I thought that you were gonna be a pony. It's kind of in the name, Sir Pony-Lot.
Well, I don't even know if I'm even human. I'm some kind of cartoon thing with a night helmet. 30 more cringy minutes later. I can't take it anymore. Goodbye.
Don't do it! Yeah. Okay.
Goodbye. What was it called? Yu-Gi-Oh! Goodbye. What was it called again? Oh yeah, that one game. Magic the Gathering. Goodbye. Off-brand trading cards. Goodbye, baseball card collection. I don't even know any of the baseball stars anyway.
Wait, no. That was my... No. That was... What did you do?
Please, conscience. Be silent for once. I'm trying to reconcile a bit. Goodbye, Card Wars. You know, Applejack, I feel better now. I feel much, much better now.
The fact that you ate my apple pie just hurts me even more. I'm still hungry to this day. And you about to die in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I told you not to eat that!
Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
But your conscience died. She's gone. She's dead.
Thank you.
Well, okay, so unfortunately we don't come home with a holographic Husker Knight, but at least we got... it's okay. At least from this poll we got... Oops. We got some cool cards out of it. I mean that counts. That counts to me at least. Oh, hang on, focus the screen, please. There we go. Well, not bad. Not bad at all. That's it for this edition of NZ card opening, my NZ family. I feel really... I don't know what to think. See you all next time, and hopefully I get to do this again if I can get my hands on another one of these boxes. Y'all have a good NZ week. Goodbye, y'all.